Welcome to how to install apps tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to install MySQL. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to type in MySQL and then hit enter. From here you will find the MySQL website, just click on it and then go to downloads. Then click on MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Then click MySQL Installer for Windows. You need to click on the second download and then click No thanks, just start my download. You need to wait for the download to finish and then open it. So after you open the installer, this is what you will see. Click yes to anything that pops up. Here, click on Custom and click Next. Expand these tabs and then click on MySQL Server and drag it. Click on MySQL Workbench and drag it. Click on MySQL Shell and drag it. After that, hit Next and then click on Execute. So after all the installs is checked, you can click on Next and then click Next again, and from here click Next and click Next again. Here you will need to write your root password and check that you write a password that you can remember. Then hit Next. After that, you will hit Next from here and grant full access to the user running Windows Service application. Here you will click on Execute to wait for the configurations to be applied. After that, click on Finish and click Next. Then click Finish to start your MySQL Workbench and MySQL Shell. As you see, we open the Workbench. Then we need to go to this PC and go to C, Program Files, MySQL, and then Server, Bin, and then that's it. We will copy this path. Then click on Start and write Environment. As you see, edit system environment variables. Click on it. And from here go to Advanced and then Environment Variables. Then search for path. As you see, here it is. Double click on it and click New. Then paste the path that you already copied. Click OK and OK again and the last OK. Then click on Start and search for CMD, hit enter. Then from here we will verify the installation. We will write MySQL version and we will hit enter. As you see, we have successfully installed the last version. So you've successfully installed the last version of MySQL. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.